In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record government grants onto QuickBooks. If you've received grant funding and you want your bookkeeping to stay accurate and easy to understand, this is a simple way to enter it correctly in QuickBooks. The goal here is to make sure the money is recorded into the right bank account and assigned to the appropriate income category, so it shows clearly in your records and reports. To begin, go to the top left of QuickBooks and click the plus icon. This opens the Create menu where you can enter different types of transactions. From there, select Bank Deposit. This is the option you'll use because you're recording money that has been received into your bank account. Once the bank deposit screen opens, look for the Account drop-down. Here, choose the bank account where the grant funds were actually received. This part is important because selecting the correct account helps your QuickBooks records match your real bank activity. Next, enter the date the money arrived. Use the actual date the grant was received in your bank account. Keeping the date accurate will help with reconciliation later and will also make your financial reports more reliable. After that, move down to the section called Add Funds to this deposit. This is where you'll enter the details of the grant. In the category column, select your grant income account. If you already have an account set up specifically for grant income, choose that. If not, you can create one in your chart of accounts so that grant funding is tracked separately from other types of income. That can be especially helpful when reviewing reports or preparing information for your accountant or finance team. Then enter the amount of the grant in the Amount field. In most cases, this is entered with zero VAT, but always make sure that matches the treatment you use for your accounting records. The key point is to enter the full amount received exactly as it hit your bank account. Once everything has been checked, click Save and Close. That will record the deposit in QuickBooks and complete the process. And that's it. By entering the grant as a bank deposit and assigning it to the correct income category, you'll keep your books organized and make it much easier to track funding properly.